Tiny Tots Learning Hub.
Hello, little learners. Let's learn some fun words from the op word family. These are words that end with O and P, but start with different sounds. Let's get started. The letter O and the letter P, when comes together, sounds like op. Let's see which is the first op word. C-O-P, cop. C-O-P is cop. A cop helps to keep us safe. Can you see the cop? Repeat after me. C-O-P, cop. The letter O and the letter P, when comes together, sounds like op. Let's see which is the next op word. H-O-P, hop. H-O-P is hop. Can you hop like a bunny? Let's try together. Repeat after me. H-O-P, hop. The letter O and the letter P, when comes together, sounds like op. Let's see which is the next op word. M-O-P, mop. M-O-P is mop. Mom uses a mop to clean the floor. Can you see the mop? Repeat after me. M-O-P, mop. The letter O and the letter P, when comes together, sounds like op. Let's see which is the next op word. P-O-P, pop. P-O-P is pop. The popcorn pops in the pan. Can you see them pop? Repeat after me. P-O-P, pop. The letter O and the letter P, when comes together, sounds like op. Let's see which is the next op word. T-O-P, top. T-O-P is top. The top spins so fast on the table. Can you see the top? Repeat after me. T-O-P, top. The letter O and the letter P, when comes together, sounds like op. Let's see which is the next op word. C-H-O-P, chop. C-H-O-P is chop. Dad chops vegetables for dinner. Repeat after me. C-H-O-P, chop. The letter O and the letter P, when comes together, sounds like op. Let's see which is the next op word. C-R-O-P, crop. C-R-O-P is crop. The farmer's crop is ready to harvest. Can you see the crop? Repeat after me. C-R-O-P, crop. The letter O and the letter P, when comes together, sounds like op. Let's see which is the next op word. D-R-O-P, drop. D-R-O-P is drop. Do not drop your ice cream. Repeat after me. D-R-O-P, drop. The letter O and the letter P, when comes together, sounds like op. Let's see which is the next op word. F-L-O-P, flop. F-L-O-P is flop. The fish flops around in the water. Can you see the fish flopping around? Repeat after me. F-L-O-P, flop. The letter O and the letter P, when comes together, sounds like op. Let's see which is the next op word. S-H-O-P, shop. S-H-O-P is shop. We went to the shop to buy candy. Can you see the candy shop? Repeat after me. S-H-O-P, shop. The letter O and the letter P, when comes together, sounds like op. Let's see which is the next op word. S-T-O-P, stop. S-T-O-P is stop. This is a stop sign. Can you see the sign to stop? Repeat after me. S-T-O-P, stop. C-O-P, cop. H-O-P, hop. M-O-P, mop. P-O-P pop. T-O-P top. C-H-O-P chop. C-R-O-P crop. D-R-O-P drop. F-L-O-P flop. S-H-O-P shop. S-T-O-P stop. Let's say op words in sentences. Listen carefully and try to say them with me. Cop. The cop helps children cross the street. Repeat after me. The cop helps children cross the street. Hop. I like to hop on one foot. Repeat after me. I like to hop on one foot. Mop. I mop the floor daily. Repeat after me. I mop the floor daily. Pop. I love to pop balloons at a party. Repeat after me. I love to pop balloons at a party. Top. My top is orange and yellow. Repeat after me. My top is orange and yellow. Chop. I chop carrots for the soup. Repeat after me. I chop carrots for the soup. Repeat after me. Corn is a type of crop. Drop. Do not drop your phone. Repeat after me. Do not drop your phone. Flop. I flop onto my bed. Repeat after me. I flop onto my bed. Shop. I went to the toy shop. Repeat after me. I went to the toy shop. Stop. The bus will stop here. Repeat after me. The bus will stop here.